Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix if Google Authenticator app is not working, not opening on your Android phone. So let's start it. Open settings. Now click more settings. Now open app manager. Here is all the app that installed in my mobile. And now we open Google Authenticator. So click storage, click clear cache, and now click data. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, Google Authenticator is working properly on your mobile phone. So if it is not work, then you need to uninstall Google Authenticator and go to the Play Store. Search Google Authenticator and install the latest version of Google Authenticator. This is how you can solve your problem if Google Authenticator app is not working, not opening on your Android phone. So thanks for watching.